So here are the ingredients of honey buttered garlic chicken. We have flour, of course chicken, patis or fish sauce, honey, black pepper or ground black pepper, sugar, butter, oil, garlic, cornstarch, flour.
Add 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Add ground black pepper. Mix thoroughly for about 1 minute to let the flavor be absorbed by the meat. Then add 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. Add 2 tablespoons of flour. Then mix thoroughly. Then dredge on plain flour. Make sure to coat the meat with flour thoroughly. Shake off excess flour and set aside, and do the same to all the meat. Add some oil on low to medium flame. Fry until crispy golden brown. After about 10 to 12 minutes on low to medium flame, set aside and do the same to all the meat to be fried. Then melt 200 grams butter on a pan on low to medium flame setting. Immediately add the garlic, saute chopped garlic while melting the butter to infuse the flavors. When butter is completely melted, set flame to low. Then add sugar, tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/4 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then add 1/2 tablespoon of honey, mix and let the sugar dissolve and thicken up the sauce a bit. Then add the crispy fried chicken wings. Set flame on lowest setting and mix the coat to the wings while don't cook on high setting so the caramel won't harden. Just keep flame on low setting and let the sauce reduce and caramelize. After mixing thoroughly, turn off the flame and it's ready for serving.
So here are the ingredients of Filipino macarons. We have desiccated coconut, sugar, vanilla essence, condensed milk, butter, salt, and egg.
Beat the butter first and add sugar on it. Add eggs.